Good day, folks. Here's exactly the circuit that I showed in my last video. Very simple teaching tool using the high voltage oscillator from the plasma lamp here, and just driven with a PEG cell. And it's basically just like the circuit, the neon acting as a high voltage limiter and connected to the diode plug here, charging a capacitor going back into the input here on the breadboard. So the plus and minus is going into the PEG cell. Since it's very high impedance, it's basically dumping the charge of the diode plug from the neon into the capacitor, and the capacitor basically adds like not a series, but a parallel DC source to the oscillator here. And that's all it is, and it's working fine. It's firing its discharges. And as you see, I simplified it, cleaned it up. I have the other one still running in the other room. I had a spare one. But out here, much cleaner. You can obviously see that there's nothing connected to it. And to test if it really is the PEG cell, let's do something I haven't done here for some reason. Disconnect it. See? Look what happened here. This needs to be part of the loop. Plug it back. There you go. See, folks? No tricks. A very nice teaching tool, and this will get you thinking. And no batteries in traditional sense, no supercapacitor even. I just used a regular capacitor here, so it's not super capacitive. I like this a lot. Turn on the light. I just wanted you folks to be able to see. And no, this isn't running. Nothing is running here, so it's not like this is still in the works. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, folks. Just wanted to show you the circuit working.